Welcome to this technical guide on the HP. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP screen is cracked and the touch doesn't work, you're likely experiencing a common issue that can arise from accidental drops or impacts. Not only does a cracked screen hinder your ability to use the device, but if left unrepaired, it could lead to further damage, including issues with the display itself or even internal components. Therefore, it's important to address this problem as soon as possible to avoid additional costs or complications. For this repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, tweezers, and a new screen replacement specific to your HP model. To begin, safely open your HP device. Start by powering it off and unplugging any cables. Using the suction cup, gently lift the screen edge while sliding the plastic opening tool around the perimeter to detach the adhesive. Be cautious and work slowly to avoid damaging any internal components. Once you have the screen open, locate the faulty component. Usually, it's the LCD assembly that needs replacing. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the screen, taking note of where each one connects. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove any screws securing the screen in place. Remember to keep these screws in a safe spot as you will need them for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have extracted the broken screen, take your new replacement screen and connect the cables as you noted earlier. Secure it in place using the screws you removed earlier, making sure not to over-tighten them as this can cause damage. After the new screen is in place, carefully press it down to ensure that it adheres properly. To close up your device, run the plastic opening tool around the edges again to seal it, ensuring you hear a clicking sound as the adhesive sticks. Finally, power on your device to test the new screen and ensure that everything is functioning correctly. As a preventative measure, consider using a protective case and a screen protector to help avoid cracks in the future. Always handle your device with care and avoid placing it in precarious situations. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.